and welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious meals using the Instant Pot. If you are new to our show, like, comment, subscribe, give us a shout out. We'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Today we are making lime cilantro chili verde. Super easy. It's just throw it in the pot, put the lid on it, and dinner is served in 25 minutes. Super easy. So we got chicken breast. It's boneless, skinless, cut up in cubes. We put the Instant Pot on to saute. Delicious. We have a little bit of chicken broth, a little bit of lime juice, a ton of garlic, because we love garlic, don't we? We do. We love garlic.
Yes, we love garlic.
A little bit of cumin. This is the zest of a whole lime. It makes it super limey, super delicious. I poured half a lime in there, and I'm just going to squeeze the rest of this lime in. Super juicy. So good. It's tangy. You can make burritos, tacos. You could serve it over rice. Make a burrito bowl and take it to work. This is great for meal prep. We have green verde salsa, green salsa, and cilantro. Throw it all in, just like that. Give it a zhuzh. Stir it up. Introduce everyone. Hi, chicken. Hi, cilantro. That's it. So let's turn the off button on. Off button on. Hit the cancel button. Close the pressure valve to seal, so you don't want any of the pressure to come out, and you're going to set it for 25 minutes. I cannot wait for you guys to see how delicious this lime cilantro chili verde. You hear about smell-o-vision, but you never actually get it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Chunks of chicken. Now, if you have a group of people over, you can, of course, double the recipe. Mom, you want to try it? Come here. Come here. Come on. Give it a bite. Tell me what you think. Now, this is my chicken verde line. This is my mom. She's been on the show once before. Now you gotta let me know what you think. Make sure it's hot, so blow on it. Yeah? Yeah? You could use some cauliflower rice. Make a little chicken bowl. Some zucchini. Yeah, good? Okay.
Very good.
Oh, well, there you have it. I hope you guys like this. Comment, subscribe. See you next time. Be kind to each other.